Guys, we're here in Portmore on the delivery trail, and we also do drive-through delivery where you just drive up, curbside delivery, you just drive up and we give you your packages. Bye. So guys, we're here in Portmore. We're in Waterford. What's up, Waterford people? Big up on yourself. Big up all of Portmore. As I said, guys, we do drive-through delivery too. So if you want us to park up on the roadside and you come up and you pick up your stuff from the curbside, it is quite possible. We offer all type of services for you. Alright guys, so remember there's a link somewhere. Click on that link today. Join us. We're going to ship your packages from overseas and get them delivered to your doorsteps here in Jamaica. And you can get curbside delivery. How we sound? Alright guys, so thank you guys. Go ahead, click the link. All you guys who have joined us already, big up on yourself. All you guys who are watching the video them and don't want to join yet, click the link and join us today. Your first item that you ship with us ships for free. What you waiting on? You know, want some free shipping? Me not understand. Anyways guys, we're here in Portmore. We're here in the Sunshine City. We're enjoying the beautiful sunshine. Make sure so the car now come lick me down. The beautiful sunshine, and it's very windy today in Portmore. Alright guys, so I'll catch you guys later. Remember, click on the link, join us today. We will ship your packages from overseas and get them delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. Catch you guys later. Bye.